Bukas na sa publiko ang burol ng yumaong Chief Presidential Legal Counsel Juan Ponce Enrile. Nagtipon-tipon ang mga pamilya, kaibigan at mga kasamahan ni JPE para magbigay ng kanilang respeto. Yan ang agenda report ni Hannah T. Live mula sa Makati. Hannah.
Pinky, nagsimula pa kahapon ang public viewing ng mga labi ni Chief Presidential Legal Counsel Juan Ponce Enrile rito sa Makati. And from what we can see, the venue is actually filled with orange flowers and decorations along with pink and white accents. At ayon sa kanyang anak na si Katrina, orange is one of the favorites of former Senate President Juan Ponce Enrile. At ito raw yung paraan ng pamilya nila para maalala siya, including his love and support to the family.
That's his favorite color. Yeah. Yeah, because he likes white, orange, and blue.
Si Enrile na pumanaw noong November 13 matapos labanan ang pneumonia ay 101 years old. Pero ayon sa kanyang pamilya, may naitalang records sa Aglipayan Church sa Cagayan, ang probinsya kung saan ipinanganak si Enrile, na siya ay ipinanganak noong 1922, making him 103 years old. Ito raw ang kinikilalang edad ng kanyang pamilya. Nasa maayos na kalagayan naman daw ang pamilya Enrile matapos ang pagpanaw ng dating Senate President.
We were already preparing for, as a family, for this eventuality, so it didn't really take us much time to set up. Actually, while he was still in the hospital, we were already anticipating. Of course, not wanting things to happen, but still being, sensible about everything. We did what we could to prepare.
Nagpasalamat si Katrina sa lahat ng mga nagpaabot ng pakikiramay, kabilang ang mga naging kasamahan ng kanyang ama sa Kongreso at Palasyo. Kaninang hapon din, inaprubahan ng Senado ang isang Senate resolution para mag-express ng profound condolences sa pamilya Enrile. Mula 2008 hanggang 2013, naging Senate President ang dating mambabatas.
First of all, thank you so much for the outpouring of support and all the beautiful memories that each colleague of my father has spoken about and written about in their social media and everywhere that we can read them. We are actually collating all of them and keeping it, and it's just to give us good memories of my father and how they knew him also.
So far, mula lang dumating tayo rito, naabutan natin kaninang dumating si Energy Secretary Sharon Garin para makiramay. And among those who also came to pay their respects are former Executive Secretary Salvador Medialdea and Internet personality Hannah Pangilinan. Pinky, ang schedule ng public viewing ngayong araw ay hanggang alas 10 ng gabi, and tomorrow it starts at 11 a.m. until 10 p.m. din, at ang huling araw ng public viewing ay sa November 21 with the same schedule. At meron ding necrological service sa Senado at around 9 p.m. kung saan inaasahang dumalo ang lahat ng sitting senators sa Wednesday. Yan ang latest dito sa Makati. Balik sa'yo, Pinky.
Maraming salamat, Hannah T. Nag-uulat ang live mula sa Makati.